Hey everyone, today we're comparing three popular free booking tools for 2025: Calendly, Acuity Scheduling, and Square Appointments. Let's break them down and see which one's best for you. First up, Calendly. It's super easy to use, perfect for scheduling meetings like client calls or team check-ins. You share a link, clients pick a time, and it syncs with your calendar like Google or Outlook. The free plan offers unlimited one-on-one meetings but only one event type. It's great for freelancers or small teams who need simple scheduling. Next, Acuity Scheduling. This one's built for service-based businesses like salons or tutors. Clients can take appointments, fill out forms, and even pay online through Square, Stripe, or PayPal. The free plan is limited to one staff member and no calendar sync, but it's awesome for small businesses needing client management. Finally, Square Appointments. This is ideal for businesses using Square or payments like retail or cafes. The free plan includes a booking site, unlimited appointments, and Google Calendar sync. It's mobile friendly, so you can manage bookings on the go. Perfect for small businesses with in-person or online sales. Comparison time. Ease of use. Calendly wins for simplicity. It's quick to set up and great for beginners. Acuity and Square are good but have more features, so they take a bit more time to learn. Features. Acuity shines with client forms and payments options, ideal for service businesses. Square offers similar features but integrates tightly with Square's payment tools. Calendly's free plan is more basic, focusing on meeting scheduling. Who's the winner? It depends. If you're a freelancer, go with Calendly. For service-based businesses, Acuity is your pick. If you use Square or need mobile management, Square Appointments is the way to go. Try them out and pick what fits your vibe. Like and subscribe for more videos.